guys, 2020 BMW 850i is getting a new wrap put on it. They're doing all the body work, getting it all perfectly perfect. Got some new custom wheels on it. Look at that. They're gonna look good on it. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did. We saw you. I saw you trying to sneak. Anyways, we got downpipes. Somebody else did them. We don't do these. It's against the law. We don't do it. Anyways, we added an X pipe, two vibrant resonators, 1794s. There'll be a link in the description for them. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then the X pipe SXP 5, I think, or 4, which is 3-inch in, 3-inch out also. And then a second X pipe, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. So now we have a double helix effect, which is going to make this car sound absolutely insane. If you guys don't know, now you know. Still got the factory muffler out the back, but these come with a valve that makes a straight pipe when you put it in sport mode. And that's why when we did just the resonator delete and added the first X pipe, it was way too loud for him. He's like, it didn't give him the sound he wanted. So he brought it back and we added two vibrants and an X pipe here to give it that cleaner tone. So let us know, guys. We'll do a comparison video, guys, for you, hopefully, that will show you the difference between the two. So there it is out the back. She still looks phenomenal. Just wait till you guys see it with the wrap all done. He's gonna bring it back. He's gonna take these metal pieces off the bumper. The tips in the back, we're gonna put quad carbon fiber tips to finish it off, which is gonna look freaking amazing. And then we got that sexy vet over there with gold tips over there on the side. So there it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. It's really hot outside, guys, today too. Thumbs up. All right. It's a lot wider. This is in comfort mode, guys. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97. So it's really. So you shouldn't hear any drone, nothing inside now. Put it in sport. Perfect. I'm glad we went with the smaller one. And she was right, double X pipe. How do you know this stuff? Wow. There's sound decibels now? Go ahead. 104. We're gonna do cutoffs next. Just wait, guys. Just do all the fun stuff. I just want to drive it. Yeah, because we tinker all day long. Exactly. When I want to get in my car, I want to do anything. Yeah. Might be me. You never know. And it fits the kids perfectly, so very roomy. How many horsepower is gonna be when it's done, hopefully? About 7. That's perfect for me. I don't need more than that. Listen to that pop, guys. Wow. Pop sitting still. What do you guys think of that? So let me know, do you guys like it the other way or this way? Let me know in the comments, okay? Let you guys hear on the inside.
to say, is that valve closed?
Yeah, no, because of the comfort.
Alright, here, step over there. I think you got it. 115, I think. Oh yeah. The valve's closed. Sound decibels. Again. Alright. Yeah. Valve's open. Here's the sound decibels. Says 112. 115.
Thumbs up? Alright. It's a lot wider. This is in comfort mode, guys. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97. So it's really... So you shouldn't hear any drone, nothing inside now. Put it in sport. Perfect. I'm glad we went with the smaller one. And she was right, double X5. How do you know this stuff? Wow. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. 104. We're gonna do cutoffs next. Just wait, guys. They put a new tune on it, so it should launch even better than before. Let's see. Arcade. So in comfort mode, it doesn't even sound like it has anything on it, which is insane for 700 plus wheel horsepower BMW. That's crazy. Yeah, you don't even hear it. Like, that's crazy. That's family-friendly takeoff. Good Lord! Wow! What a freaking bullet, guys! Jeez Louise! Woo! I love it! You guys gotta admit that was sick! Wow!